Hey guys, Payas Bharadwaj here, and I'm back with another home workout routine. And today we are going to do a upper body workout routine. Obviously, you can understand by this that we are just going to target the upper body overall, and again, the intensity will be high. So, before getting into these workout routine, we will be doing a few warm-up exercises. So there are almost 8 to 9 warm-up exercises which we'll be performing for 10 reps each. Okay, that will help you to loosen up your muscle and joints. We are going to perform a set of 10 exercises back to back without any rest with the help of two equipments I have here, that is a resistance tube and a resistance band. So you can easily get these equipments from Amazon or any online sports shop. So yeah, let's get started. So first exercise is the jumping jacks. Ten each. Okay. So next is shoulder rotation. So clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay. Next exercise is chest opener. So this is a simple exercise just to open up your chest muscle, to warm up your chest muscle. So 10 to 15. So next we have leg swings. So leg swings will warm up your legs and shoulder. You can hold a chair to support your body. Okay. So this is front swings. Ten on each leg. Okay. So next is side swings. Same you have to do with the other leg. Side swings. Okay, so this side swings are basically for your abductor and adductor muscle. So that's something which people don't warm up generally before starting any kind of workout routine. So make sure you do it. Then next we have knee to chest. So this is for your lower back and glutes. Okay, so just stand straight and try to touch your knee to your chest. Okay, simple. Don't hold it for too long. Okay. Next is rear calf stretch. So again, just keep your one of your leg at the back. So whichever calf you want to stretch, that leg should be, at your back. So just bend forward little bit and feel a nice stretch in your calf. Calf muscle again is this part. Okay, just 10 seconds. your leg straight. Your back leg should be straight. Then only you will feel the stretch. 10 seconds. Okay. Then what we are going to do is a few knee bends. This is for your to warm up your knees. So bend your knees and we are going to do 10 reps. Okay. So last exercise, no, we still have 3 exercises left. So one is your upper torso twist, or you can call it as twister. Okay. So next is side bend. Okay, so either you can keep your hands like this or you can keep your hands like this. Okay, I would prefer doing like this because I can feel little bit tension on my back also. So you'll feel the tension in your lower back, sides. Okay, so don't hold it. So as I have told you in my earlier videos, that we have to do dynamic stretching. Okay, we are not going to do any static stretch. So static stretch we'll do in the end, and I have already made a video. My last video was on static stretching. I'll include more of those exercises. Okay, so I guess I did a total of 10 reps. Then last exercise is head tilt. Okay, so this is to warm your neck muscle. So first we'll do side to side neck twist. Okay. We are going to start our upper body workout routine. So I have already noted down each and every exercise in this book. So what you have to do is you have to perform 10 exercises for 20 reps each without any rest. Make sure you do not take any rest. Okay, if you are a beginner or if you don't have enough stamina, so you can take rest in between, but to raise the intensity, that's what is advisable. Don't take any rest. This is a circuit workout routine. So yeah, let's get started. So first exercise is pull downs. This is for your shoulder and back. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So the best part of resistance band is you can adjust the resistance according to your strength, right? So first is pull downs. So you have to feel this exercise in your shoulders and back, and you have to bring the band in the front of your body. So 20 reps in total. You can see how I'm performing it. Okay. So next exercise is seated row. There are two variations of this exercise. You can so again you can either use a tube, a resistance tube, or a resistance band. So one is the rows which we usually do in the gyms, like this. Okay. And another variation of this exercise is seated rows. So one is the standing rows, another one is the seated rows. So when you do seated rows, you will feel more tension in your middle traps and lats. So I'm feeling it in my middle traps also, or in simple language, middle back, your mid back, and your lower, the lat muscle. So I'm done with a 20 repetition. Next exercise is push-ups. So you can either do a normal push-ups, or if you want to add some resistance, you can use the resistance band. Hold it like this. Okay. This should pass. Okay. The next exercise is inclined chest flies. So again, I'll be using the resistance band. Again, this is how we do a chest flies. Okay. Okay. Next exercise is shoulder press. So I'll be using a resistance cube for this. So this is for our shoulders. My shoulders are already burning. The next exercise is lateral raise. That's for your medial deltoids, which is this part of your body. Oh. Okay. So now the next exercise is rear flies, which is for your rear delts. Okay. Guys, this is really tough. You might think it is easy, but when you do it on a, when you do this exercise without a rest, you'll find it tough. You'll feel a burn, that lactic acid accumulation in your muscle. Okay. So next is rear delt flies. Okay, so next exercise is bicep curls. So I'll be doing that with the help of a resistance tube. You can adjust the resistance according to your strength, right? So 20 reps. I will be needing more resistance. Okay, 1. Okay, so next exercise is reverse curl. Reverse curls. So you can either use the same or you can use the resistance band. So I'll be using a resistance tool. Or in scientific terms, we call this muscle as brachioradialis and brachialis muscle. So brachioradialis muscle is this top of your forearms and brachialis muscle is just here beneath your biceps. Okay. So last exercise of our workout routine is tricep dips, just for triceps. So you can perform this exercise on a chair, using a chair, right? Just keep your hands on the chair like this. Okay. Balance yourself, make sure you don't slip. Keep your legs in the front, keep your body straight. Go down. You should feel all the pressure on your triceps. Okay guys, so we are done with our workout routine. So make sure to like this video and share it with your friends and family, those who are looking for some kind of exercise to keep themselves fit at home. So maybe by tomorrow or day after tomorrow I'll release the lower body workout routine, and soon after that I'll release ab workout routine. Make sure to follow my page on a daily basis so that you don't miss the workout routine. I'll see you in the next video.